Welcome to Dhirubhai Ambani University, formerly known as DA-IICT. Nestled in the vibrant city of Gandhinagar, Gujarat, DAU stands as a premier institute of learning, innovation and transformation. Established in the year 2001, it is one of the first universities to offer an exclusive focus on information and communication technology. It is named after the visionary industrialist Dhirubhai Ambani, and it has grown to become a symbol of excellence. Our campus is lush, green and modern. Spanning across 50 acres, DAU offers a peaceful yet dynamic environment for over 2,000 students. The architectural elegance, wide walkways and open spaces create an ideal setting for holistic development.
This is the Resource Center, the heart of our academic ecosystem. It's spread over 2 Wi-Fi-enabled buildings and 16,000 square feet. It houses 34,000 plus books, 67,000 plus e-books and 7,600 plus e-journals. Open from 9 am to 2 am during exams. The RC support language learning, research, digital archives and even international collaborations through InfleetNet and NDLI. Our IT infrastructure is robust and built for the future. DAU features 10 Gbps server farm, 1 Gbps internet lines and over 1,300 desktop systems. With 30 on-campus servers, we host our own data center, supporting cloud service, high-performance computing, and virtualized research environments. We also boast a powerful high-performance computing cluster, powered by GPU-enabled nodes and scientific Linux. From deep learning to complex simulations, the system supports cutting-edge computational research.
This is the Central Lab Complex with 22 teaching labs, 11 research labs and specialized centers like the VLSI Lab, DSP Lab, MMD Lab, IoT Lab, Engineering Drawing Lab and HPC Cluster. The campus is buzzing with academic activity for over 16 hours a day. The electronics and RF labs are stacked with the latest oscilloscopes, signal generators, FPGA boards and microcontroller kits. All labs come with high-end PCs, QL platform setups and air-conditioned environments. Let's walk through our lecture halls. Equipped with smartboards and audiovisual systems, these are not just rooms but gateways to interaction, exploration and learning. And here comes the hostels. 3 halls of residence including dedicated wings for men and women with over 1,900 beds, hot water, laundry, study zones and 24/7 security. Students here feel right at home.
And food? You've got that covered. With 7 food courts on campus offering everything from North Indian thalis to South Indian dosas, Chinese food combos to fresh fruit juices, DAU ensures that no cravings goes unmet. And yes, we even have night cafeterias, open late to fuel those midnight coding sessions.
This is our medical center, staffed by 3 experienced doctors and supported by tie-ups with Apollo and Ashka hospitals. Our healthcare is prompt, subsidized and 24/7 emergency ready. Now let's talk about the energy of the campus. DAU is run by its student clubs. So whether you're into AI, dance, music, debate or research, we have a home for you here. From the Press Club's campus magazine to the Programming Club's Code Forces rankings. From Garba at the Khilya Club to workshops by MSTC and BSc, creativity never sleeps at DAU. The Spirit of Synapse, our flagship techno-cultural festival, brings all of it alive. A 4-day celebration of code, art, dance, drama and dreams. Thousands of students, lights, laughter and learning. iFest is one of the most anticipated and recognized technical festivals in Gujarat, celebrated for its diverse blend of technical, social and non-technical events. And for those who live for the game, welcome to Concourse with football fields, indoor badminton courts, a gym, athletic tracks, table tennis halls and yoga zones. Our sporting culture is thriving. We even have our own cricket league, the DCL, where students turn into heroes under floodlights.
Of course, none of this would matter without what comes after. Placements. DAU boasts an exceptional placement record with top recruiters from tech, finance, research, and startups. The placement cells works year-round, bridging students with industries through seminars, coding contests, internship, and pre-placement talks. And it doesn't stop there. Our student body government and its committees, from cafeteria management to hostel maintenance, are run by the students for the students. So whether you want to host an international speaker, shoot a short film, or organize a hackathon, DAU lets you lead.
Here at DAU, you're not just studying, you're shaping the future. This is not just a campus, this is a movement, a culture of doers, dreamers, and team achievers. Welcome to Dhirubhai Ambani University, where learning meets life and passion meets purpose.